Joining us now to talk about what to do if you're ever injured at work is attorney Jim Yoro with Cohn Clark. Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
Yes, great to have you on here. Very important topic.
I appreciate you having me.
So what's the first thing people should know do if they get injured at work?
Well, the first and foremost thing to do is to report the injury. The most common mistake that people make is, oh, I'm going to let it pass. I hope I can recover. This will go away. And then because they've delayed reporting it, and then report it later, what happens is it creates a problem for the employer, because then the employer is like, well, why didn't you come to us on the day of your injury instead of the Monday, after this all happened? And that becomes a problem.
Well, I can see why someone might feel a little anxious or embarrassed to report when something happens, but it's good to just push through that.
Absolutely. Most people do not want to report an injury. That's just, natural, because you'd like to stay on the job. But keep in mind that the failure to report that injury may have serious consequences for you, both physically and legally, later on.
Yeah, and it could affect your ability to work later on, and if they don't know about it, then that's a whole slew of problems there.
That is the most common problem that employers face, is trying to verify that something actually occurred when it's reported several days later, whereas if it was reported when it happened, then there are usually people around who can verify it.
And at what point should someone call you?
Well, if you need to get a lawyer, it's usually because the injury is much more severe than simply something that you can get by with maybe a day or two off or just first aid. Number two, it's usually when you've filed a claim and you're having an issue with the way the insurance company is treating you or dealing with you. But definitely, if you're going to have to be off, if you have to go to the hospital, if you need some serious medical treatment, and you need a period of time off of work, probably a good idea to talk to a lawyer at that point.
And what is a workers' compensation legal specialist? What all do they do?
Well, in the legal world, most attorneys, once they pass the bar exam, receive a certificate for the practice of law. Then those individuals who specialize in an area have to have additional qualifications, including a focus on that particular area of practice, more education, plus more experience. And so you have to take additional tests and additional certifications to be qualified as a legal specialist in that area, which is what I am, and my partner, Beatrice Trejo, is also.
And what are some of the benefits that you can help these people with if they are injured?
The most important benefit in workers' compensation is probably medical treatment. Medical treatment is provided at no cost to the employee. The other benefits are monetary benefits, such as temporary disability if a doctor takes you off of work and you can't go back to the job. There's also the potential of what's called permanent disability if at the end of when you've recovered, you still have some residual effects that affect your ability to work. Then you may be entitled to additional compensation. If you can't go back to the job, there's the potential for vocational retraining. And in the very, very unfortunate circumstance, if someone dies on the job and leaves dependents, your dependents can be taken care of.
Thank you so much for sharing all this information with us. We had the slide up on the screen for people to give you guys a call. We appreciate it.
Oh, well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity to connect with the general public, because the more that the public knows about their rights, the easier it will be for them to navigate this rather frustrating bureaucracy that is known in California as workers' comp.
Yeah, 100%. Thank you so much.
Thank you.